Yo, what's up, everybody? There used to be houses right here, right? But two lakes merged together in a flood, a really sad flood, and flooded a bunch of houses. Anyway, that was a couple of years ago. We're gonna head out, see if we can find those houses. I think they're under like 10 feet of water, but we're gonna go explore those and see what we can find. I'm freaking excited. Do you think we can squeeze in without getting our shoes wet? Yes, we made it. Hurry, Carly. Yeah, you made it. Dude, these things cruise. Look at this sign up here. This is so weird. Watch me be the one who falls out. Yeah, there's a big lake over here, and then a big lake over here somewhere, and then houses lived in between those two lakes. And now, as you can see up here, those two lakes merged during a big flood, and now they're all underwater. So that's the direction we're going, and we're gonna see what's left of those houses. Carly's really good at kayaking, that's why she's way ahead. Oh, thank God I didn't bring a warm shirt. Oh my gosh, this is insane. I'm getting excited. Dude, this is so weird. Oh. This is so weird. I can't get low enough. Look at, there's the living room fan. It's hard to tell because there's not a whole lot of news about it, but I think like 2 years ago. I thought it just happened, but apparently not. Oh my God. Holy crap. Dude. Dude. Coming, he's coming. This is like the most surreal thing ever. Carly just had the most amazing idea. She just spotted this 2-story house over there. We're gonna see if we can get up into that house. That's gonna be crazy. Oh, you gotta ram it. Did you make it? Oh no, I'm about to run into the house. Let's go hide around the back. Hide around the back. You know, it would be insane.
Yeah.
It probably doesn't look like the case, but if you had a house like this that was flooded, but the top floor wasn't flooded, so you could go in it and then like look at the water in the staircase. Dude, if that's ground level, it might not be underwater up there. All right, we're enacting phase 2 and then phase 3 after that. Phase 2, let's go back to that other house, paddle our way into the living room. Check it out with the flashlight. Phase 3 is this house. Carly's gonna swim under there. She says, yeah, for sure. She's gonna swim under there, get in the house, go in the door, see what's in there. Watch me sink. Oh God, I can't get that low. Fuck. Oh Jesus. Oh, is this phase 2 house? All right, activate phase 2. Wait, I gotta get my light. Can you reach into there and get my light out? The headlamp, yeah. Thank you. All right. All right, phase 2 has been activated. Carly, what do you think about phase 2? Are you excited?
I'm really excited to explore.
She's really excited for phase 2. Oh my God, you're pushing me in phase 2. Dude, oh my God. This is... We're gonna fit. Yeah, we are. There's books on the shelf just sitting there.
Really?
No, yeah. Dude.
What's that?
Dude, I'm like hitting like a table. Like a dinner table. Oh my God, I'm on top of something. Like a couch. Dude, this is so creepy, dude. You can't make noises like that. You're gonna freak me out. I can't see it. You're gonna scare me. Dude, there's stuff in here. Look. A lot of stuff. There's just like pans sitting on the sink still. They must have had no time to get out. I don't think they did. Like, you wouldn't just leave. I mean, they probably had time to grab some stuff and then leave really fast.
They have like brewer hats in here.
Dude, look at all those hats. Every hat still sitting on that shelf.
We gotta get out here soon. These nasty ass spiders.
Oh. Oh no, my kayak is too fat. Dude, this is like lost in history. Dude, this is like lost in history. This is insane. This is yeah, you can't see from your spot, but there's, shit. There's another shelf over there full of hats on the right side too. And like that one in the back corner is still like not wet and brand new and like nice.
What's on the left
The
side?
brewer's one. Dude, like not a single thing got taken out of this room.
I know.
Dude, phase 2 is going really well. These kayaks are too big. Yeah, I don't see much in here. I can't see there's something on the wall, but I can't tell with my eyes. Only my GoPro can see it. Yeah, let's check that one out. I wonder if this mold is poisonous. I'm so glad that the kayaks fit through this door. That would have sucked. Guys, look at this. There's books on the shelf still. Just sitting there. Alright, my GoPro just overheated, but now I have to hold on to my phone. Oh God, a light fixture. I gotta get out of here. We're leaving this house and we're gonna go activate phase 3. Carly, are you ready for phase 3?
Yeah.
Phase 3, active. Phase 3, if you didn't know, is getting on this roof. Carly is pretty excited about phase 3, but really she's more excited about phase 4. All right, this is where we should get up. Words. You gotta try not to fall. Okay, throw it. Okay. Oh, dude, it's so weird. It's dry. It's not flooded. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my God, there's a bunch of dead fish up there. Carly doesn't like it when I reenact the scene because my GoPro turned off. Let's try that again. Oh my God, there's a bunch of dead fish up here. Holy crap.
Shit, what kind?
What kind? Asian carp. All right, Carly joined me up on the roof so that we can film our drone finale. That's where the drone finale is. We gotta go up there.
I thought we were staying right here.
No.
Did not agree to this part. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's a little low. A little low. Man, you're so much more tough than me. I gotta have shoes on the prime location for the drone finale. We went to a bunch of flooded houses with a kayak. We went into some of them. It was epic. All the stuff was still there, books on the shelves, probably forever until they mold away and disintegrate into the Great Lake that we're in now. We're gonna send up the drone and do a little drone finale. Carly's favorite. Carly loves the drone finales.
Then line 'em up, line 'em up, line 'em up, line 'em up, knock 'em back, knock 'em back, knock 'em back, knock 'em back, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up. Cause if she ain't ever coming back, then I'ma need some whiskey glasses. Cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with someone new. Hey, I'ma need some whiskey glasses if I'm gonna make it through. If I'ma be single, I'ma need a double shot of that heartbreak proof and see the world through whiskey glasses. Ain't nothing else to do but sip around the truth and see the world through whiskey glasses. I need a better view where I don't drink of you.